G'day guys, my name's Jono and today I'm going to be showing you how to add or remove templates to Magic Set Editor on a Mac. In the last video I showed you how to download and install that, so if you haven't watched that, pause the video and just quickly head on over to it and watch that video first. The link will be in the description. So once you've downloaded and installed Magic Set Editor on a Mac, you want to get whatever custom template you want. In this case, I'm going to be using Tintagel's 5e D&D card template. It costs $5 US and it is very well worth it. The link to this will be in the description. So once you've bought it and you just want to download the zip files. And once you've downloaded them, you just want to extract them and then you'll have these two folders. Now I'm just going to use the 3.1 edition as it's the most up to date. So head into the folder, go into the data folder first. Next, head on over to our Magic Set Editor application, right click and then click Show Package Contents. Next, we want to go to Drive_C, Program Files, MSE, and then go to the data file. Next, we want to remove all of these magic files, unless you want to keep them, of course, but in my case, I'm just going to select them all and then click Command Delete to remove them. Next, go over to this data folder, select them all, and then click Command C, and then head back over to our data folder in the app and click Command V. Now the reason I copied them and didn't move them is that just in case in the future if something goes wrong, I don't have to re-download it. Next, go back, back again, back one more, and then when we're in the Drive_C folder, we want to go to Windows and then go to Fonts. Next, go back in our original folder and then go to the Fonts folder and copy these three files into our application. Same process, Command C, Command V, and then that's it. That should be good to go. Head back, new set, and then there we go, all loaded. And just to show you that it all works, I've just got this little thing that I've made currently. Oh, and just a word of advice: in order to paste it in the actual application, you have to click Control V, not Command V, because it's like running essentially a mini version of Windows. And then I'm just gonna copy this over. So Command C and then Control V this time. And then you can double click that icon to put in an image. I don't own the rights to this image, and so I will link it in the description. There we go. And then you can just click Save. Save that, and you can just export it as well, card image or all card images if you've got more than one. Same thing, you can just add more cards and then you could export all of them. And I'll just show you that this does work. If I click File and then Export Card Image, just export it there, and then I can go back to my Downloads folder. And here we go. There we go. And it's as good as that. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, guys.